Hello and welcome to this SSI Product News Update. I'm Scott Goldfein, Editor-in-Chief and Associate Publisher of Security Sales and Integration. With me for this edition is Craig Deaver, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Inovonics. He has some exciting news to share with us about a new product introduction. Craig, it's so good to see you again. Thanks for being with me.
Thanks for having me.
Great. Let's jump right in. Craig, what is the product called and what are some of the noteworthy features and capabilities?
So Inovonics' new mobile Duress system expands on products we already sell. Inovonics does quite a bit in the area of mobile Duress in large commercial premises. And the new system adds the ability to do much more precise location on mobile devices on those premises. So with a combination of deploying locating technology and an API interface to a cloud solution, we can now send a location of a mobile device via the cloud to a central station or any other sort of application, access control, video, and augment the systems that are already there. It's very much designed to fit in with the security systems that are already in place.
Mm-hmm. And how would you say the product differs or is unique from what else might be out in the marketplace right now?
Well, I think first and foremost, it leverages Inovonics' historical reliability and ability to cover large commercial premises. So as you know, that's kind of our specialty. We have a repeater network that scales out to allow us to cover very large premises. And so that's something that we've done quite a bit of over the years in the Duress realm. And now we're adding the ability to, within that large commercial space, locate those devices more precisely. And that all fits within the concept of these add-on systems. As Inovonics does not make a complete end-to-end system, we typically work with intrusion panels, access control panels, a variety of different systems. This follows that same philosophy. It's an add-on system, and it's designed to work with whatever's in place and be convenient for the customers to work within their security framework they already have and provide the location of mobile devices within those large commercial premises.
Gotcha. And what would you say are some good examples of applications or markets that are well suited for this solution to help meet, integrators and dealers' needs as well as their end user customers?
The one that's very much top of mind for people at this point, unfortunately, is schools. It's ideally suited for schools, especially larger campus type schools, high schools, that kind of thing. And then a lot in healthcare, hospitals, behavioral health facilities, and then we do quite a bit also in government, courthouses, and those kinds of places. But any sort of large commercial facility is really the target.
Mm-hmm. And so, Craig, when and how can dealers get access to this solution?
The product is available through distribution today, and so it's certainly available to all of the dealers that we currently work with. The integration piece there's an API that needs to be integrated with to deliver alarms to central stations in particular. There are several that have already done that work, and there are more coming on all the time. So what we encourage dealers to do is just work with their Inovonics sales rep. The product's available through distribution. They can help them understand what where the alarms can currently be sent from a central station or a video management or an access control standpoint, and then work to facilitate getting those connections made if needed. But it is widely available today.
Great. And what's the best way they can just get more information if they want to investigate it further?
Probably our website would be the best way. The website has some information on the products, as well as it has the map to all the sales reps and the territory, so they can contact those folks if they need further information or some help with a site survey or anything like that.
Excellent. Craig, is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, I think that's it. We're looking forward to rolling this out. We think it's going to be a nice set of features to add to a pretty important piece of business that we do today already.
Fantastic. So great catching up with you once again. Thank you, Craig.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
I want to thank also the viewers for tuning in to this SSI Product News Update, and make it a safe day.